And welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change theme in Line app. So first of all, you open up the Line app, which is exactly what I've done. Next, you have to tap on this right here on the front page. You see theme, tap on it, give it a few seconds to load. And here you have them. You can rank them according to rank. We have the official, we have the creators theme. So they cost some number of coins. Then we have the new. Under new, we have them over here. These are the themes. There are lots of them. They also have recommended themes. Now, under recommended themes, we have some free ones you can choose from, and then the ones that you have to pay for. So furthermore, if you tap on the guy icon in the top right corner, you can choose your themes. So you can decide to rotate how often you want to automatically change themes. So you can also go to the theme shop by tapping on theme shop. So at the theme shop you can get new ones here according to the rank and recommend. Okay, that theme shop will simply take us back to that place, to the first page actually. So you can also go to purchase history gift box, and you can use black theme when in dark mode. So you can turn this on too. So those are the ways to. So that is all it takes to change theme in Line app. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one, which we put up every day.